Los mandatos usted y ustedes. You already know negative tú commands. Usted and ustedes commands are formed very similarly. Primero, hay que empezar con la forma yo. Entonces, quita la O y añade el término apropiado. Para los verbos AR, usted, ustedes, en. ARIR, usted a, ustedes han. Entonces, por ejemplo, un verbo AR. Hablar, la forma yo es hablo, quita la O. Entonces, hablé, usted, hablen, ustedes. Un ejemplo ARIR, comer y escribir. Como y escribo, quita la O. Entonces, coma, escriba para usted, coman, escriban para ustedes. Pause the video now and conjugate each verb in the usted and ustedes command form. When you're ready, restart the video and I will go over the answers with you. Limpiar, limpié, limpien. Barrer, barra, barran. Poner, ponga, pongan. Venir, venga, vengan. Servir, sirva, sirvan. Lavar, lave, laven. Tener, tenga, tengan. Dormir, duerma, duerman. Los irregulares. Verbs ending in cargar-zar have spelling changes. These spelling changes are exactly the same as negative tú commands. C changes to QU. Sacar then becomes saque. G changes to GU. Llegar es llegue. And Z changes to C. Almorzar es almuerce. Hay 5 verbos más irregulares. Again, these verbs are exactly the same 5 verbs that are irregular in negative tú commands. Saber, sepa y sepan. Ir, vaya y vayan. Dar, de, den. Estar, esté, estén. Ser, sea, sean. The accents on de and este are very important, as well as estén. However, with de and este, there are other words that are formed similarly without accents. For example, de without an accent is from, and este without an accent is this. So you have to be very careful with accents to distinguish the difference between the two words. In order to make a command negative for usted and ustedes, simply place the word no before the verb. Don't arrive late, no llegue, or no lleguen tarde. Don't talk, no hable, no hablen. Notice that for usted and ustedes commands, there is absolutely no difference in the conjugation, as there are with positive and negative tú commands. Pronoun placement. Again, this is very similar to negative tú commands. In affirmative or positive usted and ustedes commands, the reflective, direct, or indirect object pronouns are attached to the end of the verb. Eat it, as in almuerzo. Cómalo. Sit down. Siéntense. Do it now. Háganla ahora. Here we must add the accent 3 vowels or syllables back, similar to negative tú commands. Again, if you can't remember how many syllables or vowels to count back, simply cover up the pronoun at the end, pronounce the word, and the stress should fall on the same syllable. For negative commands, the reflexive DOP or IOP must come before the verb, as with negative to commands. Don't bring them, no las traigan. Don't go to bed, no se acuesten. Don't give me the exam, no me dé el examen. Here are some examples. Pause the video and try them. When you're finished, restart it and I'll go over the answers with you. Buy it, the carrot. Cómprela. Don't buy it, no la compre. Read it, the book. Léalo. Don't read it, no lo lea. Do it, the homework. Hágala. Don't do it, no lo haga. Finally, here's some additional practice. Pause the video and conjugate the verbs. When you are ready, restart the video and I'll go over the answers with you. Dibujar, dibuje, dibujen. Cepillarse, cepíllese, cepíllense. Aprender, aprenda, aprendan. Decidir, decida, decidan. Decir, dígalo, díganlo. Dormirse, duérmase, duérmanse. Llegar, llegue, lleguen. Practicar, practique, practiquen. Empezar, empiece, empiecen. Saber, sepa, sepan. Ir, vaya, vayan. Dar, de, den.